When last did you eat chicken sauce? After eating this, you will not cook your sauce any other way. Hi guys, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna be taking you guys along as I prepare chicken sauce, or you can call it vegetable sauce. Some people call it white sauce. And today is Sunday, so we'll be using it to eat our Sunday rice. So guys, let me run you through the ingredients I'll be using to prepare this yumminess. I have some habanero pepper here, but you can skip it if you don't like pepper, or you can use black pepper. I also have some seasoning cube. I have chicken seasoning and ordinary stock cube. I have nutmeg, and I have some shrimps over here. I also have some red paprika, which I cut into stripes. I have chicken stock. Then over here is some rosemary, very important. I have olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil of your choice. For the thickener, I'll be making use of oatmeal. I just blended some oats, but you can use flour or starch. I have some green red bell pepper or green paprika. I have chicken strips. This I got from chicken breast. This is the way I cut it. Just this shape. Then I also have some bay leaves here, very medicinal. It's good for your health. You can skip it if you don't want it. Then I'll be using chicken masala just to add that chicken masala flavor, but it's not a must. Then I have some diced onion over here as well. I'll also be adding in some carrots, which I cut into stripes. I have some salt over here. Over here is some ginger garlic paste. Then I have some curry powder. Then I'll also be making use of some thyme. So guys, let's get right into the video. The first thing I'll be doing is to season the chicken. So I will add it into a bigger plate. Add some rosemary. Depending on the quantity you are making, if you are making a large quantity, you can add more spices. Then I'll be adding some thyme. Then I'll also be adding in some chicken seasoning, which I showed you earlier. I'll be adding in some ginger garlic paste. The recipe of this ginger garlic paste is in my channel. It lasts for almost 6 months. I added in some salt. Then I'm giving it a stir. I cover it and allow it to marinate for like 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, I will start frying it. Add in some olive oil or any vegetable oil of your choice. Add in some onion. It's good to saute the onion because it enhances the flavor of whatever you are cooking. So I will add in the chicken and start frying. I will keep on stirring it to make sure that it is well cooked. And after like 6-7 minutes, I added the shrimp. I keep on stirring it for almost 5 minutes again. Once the shrimp is ready, I added the carrot. Why I added carrot first is that carrot takes time to cook more than the other vegetable that I'm using. So I fry it for like 2 minutes before adding the paprika. If you have mushroom, you can also add mushroom to this. But I don't have mushroom today, so I'm making use of what I have at home. Then I put in a habanero pepper. I also add in the remaining seasoning cube. Then I add in the chicken stock, give it a stir. Then I will be mixing the oatmeal. Like I said earlier, you can use starch. You can also use flour, but I prefer using oatmeal. Then I'll be topping up the water. Then after this, I will give it a stir to check the level of the water. Then after that, I will be adding in some curry powder. Throw in the bay leaf, then grate in your nutmeg just like so. Then I'll be adding some chicken masala. You can also use this to marinate your chicken if you want, but yeah, I'm adding mine now. I love the taste it gives to my sauce. Then I'll be adding another ginger garlic paste. I love the taste of ginger a lot. Topping with some salt, stir and check for salt. If the salt is enough, then you cover and cook for some minutes. The salt is okay and the sauce tastes so good, so I will be covering it. I will allow this to cook for at least 2 minutes because we don't want to overcook the vegetable. We still want it to be crunchy. And after 2 minutes, we take it off the heat immediately. You can see the consistency of the sauce, not too thick, not too light. I don't like it when it's too thick. I also don't like it watery, but it depends on the way you prefer yours. So we'll be dishing this out. We enjoy it with our Sunday rice. And there you have it, guys. Hope you'll try this out, and if you eventually try this out, please let me know what you think. Let me know how your own comes out. And thank you so much for watching. Please remember to share, like and subscribe. Leave your comments below as well. Bye.